Hello, you guys. Okay, this is a new camp. Today we're gonna be learning how to make a real G sound. First, need bread. Second, cheese. Next, butter. Which I already put the butter away in the butter knife. Oh, see, toasted. Ooh, nice and toasted, nice and toasted there. Gotta wait for that side. Yeah, sweet and excellent, don't I? Oh gosh, I just lied. First, you have to wait for a couple of minutes. Put the cheese on top. Real cheese sandwich. So perfect. Here for last. You need this to melt. You flip it with the whoa. It's already crispy. It's already getting started to melt. It's already started it. Oh yeah. Crispy. So happens. That's why you never flip it over. Never flip it over. Long you wait for it to melt. It like this. It might take a while. I should have put it after. Oh, I need a plate. I can't forget the most important thing. Plate. Okay, this one's like rare. Oh, toasty. Almost out of it. Oh. The salvation has already started. I should have put the cheese after. Ah, but it's still good. Still good. Oh. I even need no bread. I need to start flipping. I don't know why I'm speaking stubborn. I just want to speak so. So if you'd like a certain regular cheese sandwich, make sure when you're making the bread, once you're done with the first bread, you put the cheese after you're done making the first bread. I don't know why I just did that, but I had to. See, it never worked. I haven't made this in a while. If you don't know how to make it, that's why you give examples. And you have to wait until this gets crispy. Like on the back side of that one, the first batch. Bunny ears. Oh, nice crispy. See how good that is? Wait for this patch. I'm gonna flip it over and put it on that. Let's see how good it really is. Oh, perfect. I have to be careful once you touch the bread. Make sure you don't burn yourself. That's the one thing. Right here. Here's a tip. I did not mean to do that. It would be amazing if you could smell that. I don't mean to burn a hole. Nothing happening. Anyways, that's how you make a grilled cheese sandwich, and there's the butter. Have a good day.